Let's do a quick unboxing of this Bosch 6th generation wireless screwdriver, and one of the attachments we've got the torque setting adapter. Okay, so let's have a look, see what's in the box of the main screwdriver. Okay, so you get this hard cover here, a little latch on the side. It's a little hard to get open actually. That's really quite stiff. Okay, inside we have the screwdriver itself. We'll take a look at this in detail in a minute. We've got a USB power adapter. I believe that is a 1 amp. Yeah, it's 1 amp output on that. The UK plug. We have USB power lead. So this is micro USB, not USB-C. Bit of a shame, but it was produced a few years ago, so it's not surprising. We've got 10 screw tips here to use in the screwdriver itself. And this tray removes, and we've got the manual and some other stuff. But quite a nice sort of box it's in. And I was checking it earlier, and what you can do is leave the USB adapter out, and it's got enough room to put the accessory into the box. In fact, let's open that now. Okay. So that's all that's in the box. Gives you some instructions on there of how to put it in. We'll have a look at that. But I found that it fits in there nicely, and it all still closes up. So let's have a look at this in more detail. So on the top here, we've got the direction switch. So that's forward and then reverse, easily selectable with your thumb there. We've got a power level indicator. And at the moment I'm just pulling the trigger in part way, and you can see that that's got full charge, and then that will just decrease down and then start flashing if it's about to run out. Now when it's run out, you can charge it using the micro USB socket on the bottom there, if we can get that in focus, or there is a charging accessory where you can just bang it into a charger, and you can see the contact points on there for that charger. Now, USB charging takes about 3.5 hours to charge it fully when flat. I'm not sure how long it will actually last when you're doing your projects, but please let me know in the comments how you found it, and I'll do the same. I'll put it in the description or one of the comments and let you know how I've got on with it when I've actually had a chance to use this in anger. Now, this is a slightly rubberized surface. It's not just smooth plastic like this bit, so that feels good. It's like it won't slip too easily, but it's not made of the kind of rubberized material that will perish over time and then kind of go sticky. So let's have a look around. Oh yeah, I like the variable speed on this particular model. So you just pull it in slightly, and then you can increase the speed there. Now this is the first in this line of screwdrivers to have that variable speed, which is the reason I bought it, and that seems pretty good. I do like the fact that you can just increase the power on that. There is an LED light on the front there that you can see. It's not massively bright, but it's bright enough. And then there's this cone section here which comes off. Now in the diagrams they just show you pulling it straight off, and that is actually quite difficult to do. So if you are adding an accessory to this, I'd recommend just a small twist action, and then you should be able to pull that off. So easy. There we go. We take an accessory like this torque adapter, and you can kind of see down here, hopefully. Yeah, you can kind of see on the sides there, it's got this spring-loaded section. And when you twist it, the springs come apart. That's how it attaches on. So let's put that in. So we'll just push that into place, and that's good to go. Now the light on it does still work just down there, but I'm not sure how effective that will be. You can just see it on my hand. And then on this particular adapter, we're changing the torque settings. The adapters themselves, there's loads to choose from. Like there's a drill bit, an off-center arrangement, an angled adapter, even some stuff like a grinder for pepper and all sorts. So take a look at those, but they're quite expensive at about £17 each. So I would choose your adapters wisely, because that cost is going to soon rack up if you get a load of these adapters. I'd keep an eye on the prices on, say, Amazon. These will come on sale, so do check the price history and whether you're going to get a good deal or not. Okay, to release this, you just twist it and then pull, and that comes off really easily. Obviously, that won't fit back in the box with that adapter attached to it. So if we put that back on, and you'll see that doesn't fit back in. But like I said, you can just take that off and pop it back in there, and maybe just leave the top off. And those fit back in very nicely. So overall, so far, I'm very happy with this. I paid a pretty decent price for it. Got it on a sale. The adapter seems pretty well made. The whole thing seems quite solid. I think one complaint I saw is that if you are trying to screw something in, it's difficult to put enough pressure straight down on there because of the curve. So do bear that in mind. But overall, it seems pretty solid, and I'm happy with this case that you get. I think that's really good, well made, and it's got enough space underneath if you put other accessories like other screw bits and maybe some drill bits as well, depending on the accessories you've chosen. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.